Relate to English stuff, relate knowledge, relate motivations, relate whatever. I just think that I also can grow. I also can grow my communications. I can grow my English skills as well. So I just to share with you all. So I want to ask you one thing, or I want to ask you one question, only one thing that we are doing still. We know, like we are doing right, and we are continue or relate our education stuff. We are not doing any kind of wrong, and still people also not uh, seriously not admire you. And those people, firstly, you have to started your journey from your family. My family also calling to me, talking with me, but not normal. They didn't ask me even single, how's your journey, how's all things. They didn't. Like they do not prefer to even ask me even single. Before my YouTube journey, they always admire to me. They always praise to me whatever I just did in my life. Whatever I just did, I am like a fashion designer. I am makeup artist. I am candle maker, and I am a lot of things. I am baker. I was really good master chef as well. Whenever I just do any kind of thing in my life, and they always praise to me. I was not able to taking a praising, but still they always motivate to me. But what happened when I just started my YouTube journey and they didn't ask me even single. जो लोग बहुत एडमायर करते थे, हम कुछ भी नहीं होते थे, लाइक हम कुछ गलत भी कर रहे हैं, फिर भी वो एडमायर करते थे. व्हाई? Because we also can think to do something. But what happened when I just started my YouTube journey and I just uploading a video related education or English stuff, and I was a one of stupid girl. I can say stupid, yeah. So before 15 months, I was not able to speak even single word in English. This should be they should be actually what can I say, so much smiling on me, so much praise on me, but they didn't admire to me. So I want to say only one thing to all, if especially on like YouTube journey or any kind of, you just start any journey, and that is reflect your profession. So just enjoy your life, just enjoy your profession. If you will think in the beginning of time, people will choose you, people will select you, people will subscribe you. Don't say to anyone to subscribe my channel. No, people not a fool, because you cannot fool to your family as well. How can you think about the people? No, people don't know, but your family knows very well about you. So definitely it's take a time, not a short of period. It's not like you cannot, a lot of people also think we are here and we don't have knowledge, and still we are doing like this. So so yeah, it's I want to say only one thing. Don't be think to grow channel. Like yeah, of course, everyone has curiosity. I have also so much curiosity beginning of time when I just started my YouTube journey, and I also thought, oh my god, today I just got a 10 subscriber, 20 subscriber. Oh my god, of course, like, and about my family, I don't know. Maybe when I will be a successful on my YouTube profession, when I will be a really very good motivational speaker in world, definitely that day they will admire to me. They will actually like praise to me. I hope so. But in a beginning of time, no one will, no one will support me.
Yeah, like it's the hard part now. Like when no one is clapping, you have to keep moving. Like you have to work on yourself, and yeah, like what I like best about you is like you are trying new things. You are like doing new things, like getting out of your comfort zone and trying new things. You never know. Like if I say I want to do some things, I like podcasts. But one is like you like it, and one is you do it, and then you understand. Like after doing some, like when you can stick up to like 6 months, 1 year, then you know it. Like after doing with that much also,
Yeah,
I'm not
exactly.
getting bored, and I'm also enjoying the process. Like I
Exactly.
understand, like we all like views and likes. Like it is our dopamine system. We like it a lot. But the thing is, if I'm like, let's talk about my YouTube channel only now. That I
Yeah.
do, like I have posted. But the thing is, I have enjoyed those conversation, and
Yeah.
like what's good about podcast is normally you would not talk to them. Like they might be busy in something in there, and I might be doing, but normally we would not talk for long for this and on this focus, concentrating on this stuff. But with podcast, we can sit, we are taking time, we are talking to each other. That's the most beautiful part of podcast. And you have to select your circle, like to where you are hanging around your friends. Maybe family is like good, but maybe in starting they are not understanding you, but
Yeah.
later they would, like they would see your
Got it.
challenges, you're working, you are taking efforts and doing it. They would of course appreciate it. Like people are doing a lot of wrong things, and they are not afraid, and they don't care about how people think. So why should we, like, I that you should like have to decide to whom you listen. Like first is person who is like related to your domain, like what you're doing, or maybe expert at that field. Or second is like who genuinely care for you. So those two kinds you have to listen to, and others you have to ignore. I don't have time to like listen to everybody, and then I decide my life. It's my own life. I decide I want to do these things I like. I do it simple. Like if you are on your deathbed, are you sure you wanna think on this stuff? अरे मैंने इसको कैसे treat कर दिया, like that? Or you want to like be like I have lived a life like with so much like ये जवानी है दीवानी ना, वो feel आता है ना. I want to achieve this, I want to do that. So we
Yeah.
all have this kid inside us. We want to do a lot of things. You have to like you are just a small life, and it is very short for these like to sweat over like small things. So it is like you have to, it is very
Yes,
short. So you
exactly.
have
Yes.
to like go there and live it.
Yeah. So when you just started your YouTube journey, so same here with you also, like your family also supported you. Yeah, of course,
They,
your family also supported you because you're a boy.
no, they honestly they don't know much about that because
Okay.
it was like only side by I was doing my studies, and I was just in my free time I was doing this. Like in my free time, if I find time, I do that. And on the group also, like how much time I spend, like it is spare time. Whatever time I find, like first I do studies, first priority is that. And after that, what is left, I devote my time to that, building a community. And for me, like if I see from starting in my lockdown and to now, I have improved a lot. And like in my communication also, and also in the knowledge thing. Like I used to listen a lot of podcasts, and that's the I think when you like to say things, you have to first of all you have to listen to a lot of things. Now you have to learn, you have to read books, you have to listen, and then in order to say stuff, you have to build that confidence also. Now so very less people are there, and you are doing that, and if it's not getting you views, but your personality is like upgrading. Now
Increasing.
that's the best thing, man. Like
Yeah.
and if you see like most successful people, they had hardships, all of them, and how they overcome those challenges. That's the story, na, the unique story. We all have challenges, but how we overcome, how we did. And not everybody would know these small things. Like you don't have to do some big things in life, then that would be successful. Like small things, doing small things every day, it's gonna be easy, but the hard part is doing it like consistently, doing regular. That's the hard part. So if you can do that, you are ahead of the crowd. You're working on your
And of
body
course, and
and
by
on health.
yeah, and by
Yes.
those, and we also can say by those podcasts, we also those podcasts, any kind of stuff, you just do it. Okay, like it's not easy. Like suppose you are learning and you just tried it. Okay, you just learning. and you just write down on the notepad, and your notepad is side on the table. And next day when we just started, okay, I'll just learn it or those words. Okay, I just try to speak. It's easy, but it's not easy when we also are uploading the video. First of all, we have to see a lot of things, and we have to record, and a lot of, sometimes I also like think about, oh my god, how can I start a whole day, because I also got it of 1.5 GB data. So in this situation, it's really it's really very tough to use the Google and all things. Oh my god. So thing is that like we also perform, and first of all we have to perform, okay, and after that we also think we should upload it or not, and it's okay. And but this is a really amazing thing because I really enjoy it. And for before that things, I have to say only one thing: by those things you can really you can update yourself. This is really necessary on like today's scenario. Second thing is you also can get automatically knowledge, because right now we are discussing. Okay, Ronak or I'm, like we both are discussing to each other about anything. So we have to think about it. That okay, just do it. Okay, just do it. Okay, just do it. So it's really hardly, but by that things we are getting how to communicate. Ronak and I both are not, both are actually are not aware to each other, but because of a YouTube journey, because of English journey, when we were connected to each other online platform, at that time I knew about, oh my god, Ronak is a really very great personality, and he's really very kind person. He's always to help the people. So how to know? Because when I just realized about my learning skills, when I just started, oh okay, to gain a knowledge, how to do that? Because like Ronak and I, sometimes we all both are discussing any topic, and at that time, for that topic you don't know, like you also can get a lot of knowledge by the books. But when you just discuss with anyone, when you just debate to anyone, it's really not easy. It's really hardly, because you don't know that you are stuck on the topic or not. But automatically you are gaining knowledge. Purpose is that a knowledge.
Yeah, and like I also met you, like I seen you like a motivational speaker. Like I was very inspired by your personality, how you talk. You had such a confidence that at start. So that like was amazing because very less people have that. So it was asked to like Messi, like he is a football player, so he's very
Mhm.
successful. So he was asked that you have achieved so much. So how you did you achieve this? You have so
Exactly.
much. So he told that it took me like 15 years to have a overnight success. So it is that behind the scenes we don't look to now. We want that glamour thing going on. He comes on a YouTube channel. It's very easy to talk, man. It is
Yeah.
very easy to talk. But it when you do it yourself, then you find, oh, this is required. The camera is required. The light is important. The topic, what you choose, you have to comfort the samna wala, the guest. You have to like comfort him, and those all things come, and also like inviting him, like then
Exactly.
confirming that and coming to hear this, like this these you only would understand by doing it. Like one is like you
Absolutely.
see it, and one you do it, then this, like you have respect for this, like what I'm
Yeah.
doing now is for every like for like I see like film also, like pictures, a lot of, so behind that they have worked like on Dangal and on the
Yeah.
Bhag Milka Bhag, how they
Exactly.
have sweat that stuff and they have did it, how they have did it, they only know, and I
Absolutely.
appreciate that craft.
Yeah, definitely. Just see about the border film. Oh my God.
Mhm.
Yeah, exactly. Absolutely true. So I can say that your family actually not too much aware about the social media, about the YouTube, like that stuff. Okay, that's why I can say that they comfortable with you, like when you just started
Yeah,
your YouTube journey. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. And still my family is so much educated. My brother, my papi, so much loves me a lot. So much loves me. But yeah, it's okay. Like
yeah, they would
yeah,
understand, like later on they would.
they would understand to me, but after take a time. But if you
uh,
will think that your family will not support you, why will I do that? Why would I start journey? Why would I upload the video? Because your family not happy with you? Don't be think about that. Because you are not doing wrong. You are not going on the wrong track. You are not thinking to do stupid things. So why are you thinking about your family? I'm not saying, yeah, sometimes it is a, I can say this is a selfish, but sometimes you have to, you will have to be a selfish person if you want to be self independent. If you are doing any kind of things which is reflect for your person with your personality, which is reflect into the future, and you have trust on yourself, you can be successful, and you are doing not a wrong thing, you are giving a knowledge, you are really very be confident. So in these situations, like me, I also consider to myself in the at this place. So definitely don't be think about the family. This is the really very, I'm just saying the biggest things. But yeah, why I'm saying like this, because of we are doing a right. We are, even we are updating. We are updating. It's not easy. Like I had only one language, and that's my first or native language, Hindi. But right now I am just speaking English, and it has started my journey after 4 or 5 months after learning. When I just started my English journey, and after 5 months, I just started YouTube journey. It's not easy. I cannot say it's not easy. So sometimes, yeah, that was actually emotions, I can say. But yeah, sometimes I also so much missing. It's not mean that we are not talking to each other on the call or on daily basis, brother and bhabhi, like that. But yeah, that was not a big emotion and feeling like that. So for that things, just appreciate yourself. Just try to enjoy with your journey. Just try to be any kind of thing with craziness. When you will do any kind of thing with craziness, with enjoyable, when you will appreciate yourself, when no one will appreciate you. Sometimes it's happened with me. You are on my YouTube comment, like one or two persons so much, drag to me, so much like a stupid comment to me. And I said, okay, it's okay. It's not you only. Like a lot of people also think like that. But a lot of people also subscribing me, noticing to my efforts. So it's really very thank you so much for me, because at least you are noticing to me, or
Yeah,
otherwise
attention.
otherwise today no one has time no one has
Yeah.
time that they will see your videos. No, at least you are watching my videos, that's why you are judging to me. So thank you so much.
Like the most valuable thing you have is time only. Like money also you
Thank
can
you.
earn it like multiple, but time is very limited. Like
Of
you
course.
and I have 24 hours, Elon Musk has 24 hours, Bill Gates have 24 hours. But what you do with that time is so much
Exactly.
important. Like when you say like on your comments you have hate, like it's okay. First of all, you are paying to attention, that's good. And also like I have I hope that you have a good life and you achieve something great with your life. But yeah, you have to decide, man. And you have to choose the why, na? Why I'm doing this. Like with your, you started your YouTube channel, so you want to build something. Want to build something of my own. That might be your, the thing now. When we get that thing after 6 months, after so much time, we are devoted, we are doing. But then we get demotivated. Nothing is working out. So much challenges. How do I do this? But then you think about why I started this, like in the first hand, why I started. The book is not start with why. So you see that why the reason you are doing something, and you had that confidence, man. Oh, I just thought so much little, and I have improved a lot. Like beyond my imagination, I have improved a lot, and that's the best part. Not many people are doing. Some people are just watching TikTok and reels. They're enjoying that 30 seconds things, and they're like, oh, good. But we are doing something, and in order to do this, we also have to consume good stuff. Like whatever goes in goes out. Like whatever garbage you throw in, you're gonna speak garbage only. So you have to do that or stuff also. You have to consume good stuff in order to speak very well. So that's the important part you have to keep in mind.
Absolutely, absolutely. And in this situation, you also can think, suppose you are not satisfied, you also can change your taste. Okay, you also can change your, videos as well. Okay, right now I'm not satisfied with my those videos. Okay, I just started a different stuff, and I just
Hmm.
come back with different stuff. For that things, what happened? That you are automatically again. I just come to the point on the knowledge. Like before that you just uploaded a lot of stuff, okay, but you are not actually satisfied because you are not, you are like you could not happy to your audience. So for that things you just thought about your audience, and that's why you also change your stuff as well. Why you are doing like this? Because of you want to be happy to everyone. That's why. So for that things, before that stuff, whatever you just uploaded, okay, you also got a knowledge, but right now you just come on the new form, and those activities, those things also giving to you a lot of knowledge.
Yeah, I know this is not stuff now. Like if I win, like if it goes right, like I win, and if I lose, like I don't enjoy. There's
Exactly.
nothing like there's not
Absolutely.
much to lose. So like I hope there are young folks like watching your videos, and for now you don't have any responsibilities or any burden for now. So you can try new stuff and experiment. It's not like this is the only thing it's gonna work. Maybe it's not, and after that, after realizing doing it for so many time, and you find it's not that much it has the power. I want to move on, so I want to change. So you can pivot from another thing, you can try new stuff. That's the beauty now. And you have, not everybody is like Richa ma'am. They can like with they have grown so old and they are trying, but not many people do it. After their 25 30s, they go, they don't want to experiment much, they don't want to take risks, they want that comfortable life they want. But you are taking that, and that's the very few people are doing that. So you are like in top percentage already, like you are ahead from the crowd. So that's a great thing. I think that's clapping for you.
No, it's not like this. Thank you so much. Thank you. No, I'm just also trying to do myself. So I also can say that, okay, like, I also want to say one thing, Ronak. Actually, it's not necessary that you will be successful or not, but definitely one day everyone can be successful. But how to do that? Well, like when you just, when you did in your life, like when you did in the past, something efforts, dedications, full of dedication with consistency or hard work. So definitely you can do that. But without any hard work, you cannot be think that you right now you are a smarter person. No, not at all like this.
Yeah, yeah, and I think with the internet revolution we have such a cheap data in hand. So with so much of, like, if you want to do something, you with the help of internet you can do a lot of stuff. So if there is a will, there is a way. Like if you want to do something, you would find it and do it. Like no doubt in the internet age we live in, so you can achieve a lot of things. So there is a lot of courses you have, a lot of podcasts you have, a lot of books are there. You can have PDF. You can do like online also, you can read it. So audiobooks are also there. There's so much knowledge there already. Lot of knowledge is already there. You have to just go and find it. It's very easy for now to someone to access that knowledge. It's very easy. Earlier it was very hard, but now you can't make any excuses. Now it's like you can achieve anything if you want.
Absolutely, absolutely. Today we will talk about that. You should be crazy. You should be passionate. You can do. You can get any kind of knowledge because today's everyone has phone. Everyone has a Google. So definitely, whatever you are lacking and you want to know any kind of stuff, any kind of read any knowledge. Like you want to read a law books, you want to read history books, you want to know about the geography, you want to know about sky, like any whatever you want to do, like
Mm.
you can search on the Google. You can find easily. You don't have need to go far from your home. Like earlier time, what happened that suppose when you have to complete your studies, when you have to go to the school, so definitely you will have to go to the schools from your house too much like distance from your house and till the schools. So there is a different of the like sometimes you don't have a vehicle, no any transport here, bus and cycle, and you also sometimes you will have to go by your 11 number bus, means like by your walking like that, and you sometimes you also can go, you could go like 30 or 40 minutes, but still why the people also earlier time they prefer to go too much far from the schools because they know like we also can get a knowledge from the schools teachers, but right now you don't have need to go anywhere in the pandemic. You just think a lot of students, lot of persons, lot of ladies, a lot of aged people also they also open the YouTube channel. I'm not saying that all buddies are, but most of all means you don't you know you should be courage to open anything to get a knowledge. You can do anything because of you have a really very such a great heaven things or social media. I just say that this is the God gifted for me and for everyone. If I will talk about before my 2005, I was really passionate to complete my studies, but I also didn't, I also didn't take my science streams because I know that in my schools no any science environment, no any teachers, well teachers as well. How can I complete my studies by science streams? So I had to leave. I had to left my science streams, and I also had completed my graduations really very hardly by arts stream because I didn't have any kind of interested on the theoretical subject. That's why. So, like, you don't have need to go outside. You can search on the Google and you can drop. You can do any kind of thing. Means you have a multiple hands, multiple, like solutions you can do. But if I talk about the earlier time, we don't have any kind of, sources to get the knowledge. But still, we were really very passionate to do everything.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
today, Mhm.
Say, complete.
Please go ahead. Yeah, please go
No,
ahead.
I had a different point. Like a lot of people like curse upon the education system. We don't have that much. It is not compatible. And like, are you there?
Yeah, I'm
Lachana?
there. I'm there. I'm there. Don't worry, I'm there.
Okay, so I was just saying that people like most people say that education system is not that much great. Yeah, some things are lacking. So like how earlier people do, like if we take the example of Elon Musk, like he has learned
Absolutely.
about rockets, and that's the different thing, altogether
Yeah.
different thing. And he learned from the books he read, and he applied that thing. He There was not a great institution or book, like he learned by searching and by learning by himself. So that's a great thing now. The only
Yeah.
thing is needed is curiosity. The thing you want
Yes.
to like
Yeah.
learn, learn the things, new things. If you find something interested, you Google it. You find like what is about that person, about history, psychology, like finance, anything you like find
And
interesting. You can go through that.
yeah.
Okay, so you need only curiosity, like, and also don't bother about that. If I do this and then I'm gonna earn money, is this going to help me in my future or something? No, you don't have to think. If you are young, only thing you have to focus on your learning stage, how you learn,
Absolutely.
how you concise it, how you so much complex stuff. How do you understand that stuff? Like for
Absolutely.
personally, I love like about cosmos, about the space. This not gonna help me in my future. Not sure, but like I'm very intrigued about the space, how there is black holes, there's time travel, there is so much stuff, sci-fi thing, and about the history also. If we like, I didn't enjoy much in my schools, but now I study about Indian history, how we have so much, how education system come into, how British like narrow it down for us to follow. And you when you hear this stuff about the history, like history is like it would repeat some way or the other. It would be like in different form, but it would be repeated.
Yeah,
So you
definitely.
can learn a lot of things from history about psychology also, about your human behavior, how people, when you like a lot of, I also thought like earlier, I'm talking to someone, might be he got angry. Why is treating me like this? And when you understand there is background, maybe something is not going in his life correctly, and then that's why you depend. Not many people are like. People are not bad, maybe situations are. So maybe that
Right.
situation about the parents also, na, maybe about your career they are not like agreeing with you, but
Absolutely.
the situation is bad, na, so you have to like analyze it, what's going on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you should be managed. How to manage? You should know how to manage all things.
Yeah,
That's very
time
good.
management
And
is much.
definitely. And thank you so much, Ronak. Thank you so much once again to come
That's
to come
right.
here. And of course, we also actually I have to include one thing. If you will go on the, if you will reach by the Google on the history, like according to the Indian history or foreign history, it's completely changed by the books. When you just read out a history on the books, it's really completely changed.
Hmm.
Because I also heard YouTube videos, and by that videos, I think
Ranveer
Randhawa,
Alabadia.
Ranveer, yeah. And I was really, I was really crazy to listen his a lot of podcasts. And when I just got it, that Indian history or like according to the books, there is a totally change. So definitely you will go on the Google and just search it, and definitely you can get a lot of knowledge. So that's why, yeah, of course, you can get any kind of things whatever you want to do by the Google. So I will prefer to all buddies, to my audience, and by the Ronak sir as well, that yeah, I will suggest it to everyone, just try to choose your path, just try to choose your aim. And definitely it's really very not important, but yeah, it's really very important things. If you are connected with the social media, if you are choose your personal brand as well, definitely today's in present time, it's not easy that you can be successful. No, you cannot be successful. It's not easy, but it's not piece of cake. But yeah, after sometimes you can get what should you do actually. Like you are really very perfectly about your personal brand or not. If you are really satisfied, you can go with that. And otherwise, you are really very smarter person because we are Indian, so definitely Indians always are really rocking. So thank you so much for that things, and Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. And once again, thank you so much, Ronak sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for inviting, that means a lot.
Okay. So I would like to invite you once again on my platform. Definitely, you will again come and you will being a part again with us.
Yeah, for sure. And I just one last parting note I want to say that most people say that you are average of five people you spend most of your time. Okay, so you have to choose like to whom you listen. So like the average one is like you spend most of the time, and other is like to whom you listen to whom you watch.
Absolutely,
So you have to
absolutely,
like very दिमाग लगा के सोचना पड़ेगा कि किसको फॉलो करना है या नहीं, क्योंकि they would
absolutely,
shape you. And maybe a lot of young folks are not sure about what should I do, go in that career or that career. Just do like experiment in the way you would understand. Like a lot of people like have gone through the same path, but they tried new things and then they got that this is my thing and I'm gonna do that. So focus
absolutely,
on the learning part only, and other
definitely,
would you would find it.
definitely. Sure, sure, sure. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, Ronak. Thank you so much once again.